All right, now that we've learned how to publish our applets, let's talk about how we can install and keep apps updated. So I'm going to open my options screen, and this time we're going to be taking a look at our install tab. And what you'll see here is I can actually install an item, a side piece file from either a file, or I can install it from a web link. So I'll show you real quick what you can do from a file. So as you recall, I had previously created a file via our publishing process, and then actually downloaded it to my computer. So what I can do, let's pretend this was emailed to me, or distributed to me in another way. Well, what I can do is I can actually just open that file. It'll tell me actually what's in there, and then what I can do is I can install the package. And what we'll see then is down below here, our ordering app has been installed and is executable. All right, I'm actually going to delete that so we can take a look at what it looks like when we install from the web. So there's two ways I can install from the web. One is just adding in, if I know where the file is hosted, I can add the web link, fetch and preview, and actually install the package. I'm going to actually show you what it looks like from using the applet library. So once I've published my item to the applet library, so I've got my sample ordering app here. To install, all I need to do is click install, and what you'll see is the item automatically loads, and I can click install package. Now I want to have you pay attention to this checkbox here that says auto update this package. If a user has this selected, I'm actually able to update the file where it's hosted online, and those updates are automatically pushed to the user. So I'm going to leave that checked so you can see what it looks like. If they uncheck that, the package will just be installed as a normal app that they can edit and doesn't receive any updates. So I will leave that option checked, click update or install package, and we'll see that our ordering app again is installed, only this time I have, instead of a pencil icon where I can edit it, you'll see that I have this update icon. And so what this indicates is that it is an applet that is updated and not editable. If I want to, for some reason, edit it or create a version that is editable, if I create a duplicate, that duplicate is actually editable. So let's see what that actually means when an app is updated. Well, if I go back to the applet library, you'll see that I can actually press edit on this item, and you'll see there are a few fields that I can edit. But let's say this is the actual prompt instructions, and let's say, for instance, I wanted to change, instead of this saying you are a digital waiter for a modern bistro, let's pretend I just wanted to change this to say sandwich shop. I'm not sure why. We're just going to change it. And I will save those changes. And what you'll see then is if it automatically loads, I don't know, every couple of minutes. So I just pressed it to automatically configure. And in order to show you this, that it's been updated, what I'll actually do now is just create a duplicate. And we can come down here and we can see that the item is actually updated to say sandwich shop. Okay, so if you're in a marketing department and trying to share items across kind of multiple workers and change your copy and have their prompts updated, this is a really easy way to push changes across your organization.